How you doing, guys? Donuts here. Today I bring you a phone with 48 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera, all running on Snapdragon 855 with 8GB RAM, liquid cooled with a fan. Now this is an Android phone running on 9.0 Pi and Red Magic 3. Now before we take a look at the software, here's how easy the installation process was. I inserted my SIM card in one of two trays, go through some of the documents, then I used Google's app to set up my new phone and transfer the data. Now I wait for all of my apps to finish download and install. Once they're installed, the first thing I did was to check out the camera. Next, I turn on the lock switch on the top left side. This activates a game mode. This is where you can add programs and change fan speed and even make macros. When you're in a game, all you have to do is swipe from right to left, and there you can control your fans, notifications, and your macros. Finally, here's what the dual front firing speakers sound like. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.